I'm in the valley of this night.
Now Black Ray! Now Black Ray! Yeah, man, the butter and cheese. Alright, now, Navi, give me one water then instead of that. Yeah, I'm going now, man.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You know about fire live?
Fire?
Yeah.
Go down there, sir. You pass that black car there. Then go over hill again. Then you take your right, then you take your left, and then you see the yard for the right.
Alright.
If you don't see dog about, wait till the dog start back.
Alright.
How much more you know, Nablet?
350.
350. Come on, let me put a straight. Put a straight, but carry one. Come on, Jack. Navi, I so come there. I go down my yard. I left the money down my yard. There are good things here, no farm. I'm saying what did the people them I can't pay for it. I so come Navi.
Make sure no wheel off white to say them in there, because I know you.
Think me a madman.
And China bungy ball with them, the bowl that we have a quota, yo.
Bungish ball, I'm for bungy ball and a drop through. I'm for bungy ball. You're mad somebody. I'm for bungy ball. Yes, my general. What's going on, sir? Good.
You know, say good foot of worm?
Goat foot have worm. I mean goat foot have worm.
You know what I mean by good foot of worm?
Then if you goat foot have worm and I get somebody sort out it. Look how me nice. Where I'm good. Look about goat. Me ask somebody look about goat, man.
You don't know what kind of crosses me take up in my life, but me have man.
How you call crosses? You better mind me say don't go back a country there, mind you talk to me, you know.
Send me back. Send me back. Right back.
You know I'm come out of this place, because you get too bright, you know.
If I go, then we have to be good, man.
How you talk to?
No, you are the quota. Go on your business.
You know I'm left this place, because you cooking food yet?
No.
So see how rain go fall and you take up your clothes and fire wire? Nobody no burn out make sun burn out my underpants them.
You see help and name tag man for me.
You like a girl that face, yes man. Come like a chink. Yo, look come on. Take time now. You go do it.
I'm thirsty.
Let me drink something, man. Come again. Come.
You get strong now. Chill crave.
Push down your foot. Push down your something now. See, I had boy. Yo, come on. Why do some work for me up here there, you know?
Right?
If any little thing when my girlfriend want you to do, just do it. If she want your yard for wake up, yard foul them for get water, goat for tie out, you just do them little something there. You see me? But nobody get no funny ideas now, you know, because you know I'm a woman that you know I'm not run joke in the boss.
So how the payment go?
You want 3 bills around 250 and you go on normal.
Oh, that good.
I may have two pair of shoes that I can get, you know.
Boy, I'm gonna take his shoes in there, but guess what? At 12 me wear 9. So what sense?
Right.
Anyway, I'm gonna check your wife, so you don't have a fret. See ya.
Come on, then I'm gonna check my wife. I go up and I go do what you're supposed to do.
Boy, you don't cut though. What a man you have?
You mean man too?
Man have money as a stingy man. How you manage him? You said me come rake up here, but this is yard I can't rake. Can you want cut?
Me wake up yard already.
Boy, I don't know how you have them money and look at me as a hard working man can do anything. Get rid of the man. And that's time I'll lose you, because guess what? You not even know me I look you.
So me ever know say you look me?
Long time.
This
From
is news to me.
run with the boy, he only have money and can't fix the job through toilet. And so you go continue job through, you soon job through it too.
And it's not a drop through up there, it is flush. I don't know where you come from with a drop through.
Since when? Wait, there was a mosquito there, so no move.
Yo, what you got it?
We are traveling. What's up?
Yo. Yo, what kind of style?
Hey,
Eh?
you want my
Oh,
stuck on you, man.
So if you have man up here stop. Yo.
Yes, yeah.
Go up here. Go up in here. If you have man up here, just stop mosquito here. Go up in here. Yo.
Oh, we are talking to.
Mosquito bite, there is anything.
Warm tear, yeah. Let him go.
Me rotted. So you. Oi.
Oh, you want?
No. So.
Come here, boy.
Come like a clock.
You relax, no, man.
It's one there. Me not understand. Yo.
Time, yeah, where you want to country things, so we have today.
So where you jet me up here, yo. Let me.
Where you, who you
So you
man up, so like you think you want.
Why you man up here slap off your suck? Yo.
If you
Bad man, me send up here for go wake up me and me never send up here for go slap no mosquito off my woman, you know.
Yes,
Me never send up here for go slap no mosquito off my woman. When you come up here for slap mosquito off my woman for. That boy ain't easy. Yo, go up in the yard. Hey girl, don't make me have to give you what?
Listen me. Listen me. Mosquito bite her for the heart and the mosquito will suck her out. I mean, I want she mag or your wife, so listen me. I don't only mosquito me will protect her from again. You say, man, I take her with me now and trouble her. See the only woman that me I look at that. Let me go and get back her. Stop.
Don't touch. What kind of style? What kind of style? You have man a slap mosquito off for you.
You got tired to go? Who got tired to go now?
So we don't get new people.
New walk, new way. Go look feet. You better go apologize to him, you know? Or as you go up there, go do it. Like falling on dead thirst and the goat now go dead up there.
Popeye! Let me see you. Popeye!
I've got to leave you now, right here. I've got to leave you now, right here. You're gonna kill me, I swear. And now I'm in the valley of decision.
And that's up on the fire.
When me come out of
Just sit there and watch this stuff. Alright, lazy woman, you know, man.
Where see a while ago? See you fat.
You love a teddy bear, though.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Yeah, I'm lazy right now. Can't manage them money right now. Come at me, I have to make a value decision right now. And get somebody new in my place right now. You finish it, man. It make sense. Me alone have to have everything as I want to work. And come in and just sit down and actually she hardly even want to cook.
I hear them say they want to crucify me. I stay cool and put my trust in the Most High. Barefoot in the jungle, me a chad. Me a talk to myself and people I wonder if me mad. Then I see walk one, how it's so damn sad. Watch Christian them. It's okay though. I say it's okay though. You can't kneel me up and play me like no play though. Mr. 18, 8 out. Babylon want slavery like how them slavery fi build the great house.
Like me a some goat, man.
I see them plan.
See one nobody see me in a bush, I tie out no goat.
I'm in
Like
the
say,
valley,
a funny business.
the valley of decision. When me come out of the valley,
Come,
that's
go,
when
Grass,
I
come.
make my true
Come, go down, Mr. Mighty Grass.
decision.
Say, me have to tie out goat like me have some goat, man. Now I see up my damn socks. Go in a bush and tie out goat like me. Goat, man.
get no work. My son tell me about take about forgive me what. What me there to forgive me. But I want a piece of my life here. Much I broke right now. Yeah, suffer. Come on, you're so stubborn. Give me a teeth. You. Come on, you have to make people know.
Hey girl, I really can't give me tough chat. You really can't give me tough chat. You better not make more. Okay? It's like you're gonna hold on people their money. Hey girl, come on from.
Oh, dear brother, I'm see your phone now, wall.
You know I know say a girl was up for me hard man. Thief all that money what me have man. Partner money, me have some people partner money to give them money girl gone everything.
So you say you know where she live? Yeah, you can't go back feet from where she come from. You want about you pretty looking girl that deceiving, you know. You know what I mean? When you say everything you trust people with, you know. Anything you put in front of people, make sure they can't take you and go on with it. You understand what I mean? Can't really trust her case, but you can't go fit if she come from. Where she come from?
You know I know say a Spanish town girl come from dog and me not go up there so.
Yeah man, but anyway, that money, see, if a Spanish town are them bad, no bad area, make money turn, cause life a lot more than money. But the funniest thing me I say, yo, you lose your money, woman. As he said you to yesterday, everybody, Papa, everybody come around. The man a millionaire now.
Popeye,
Yeah man, boy, richer now man.
rake a yard, Popeye.
Yeah man, millionaire in town now. Now watch the TV, you tell like Vision last night, and me I tell you say, like it I tell the truth. The man have money and now, you understand? Cause I see him this morning. I be a share and I see him give some people. You understand what I mean? So that me I tell you, you're bad luck today and I feel him good luck. Anyway, what me I go now? Cause I'm not fortunate right now, I lose no money and I not get none. I have to work for mine.
So me never get me no one. No man from Spanish town.
Get a woman from country. Nice half here of them before them soft. Some of them are thieves still. Just waste money like that.
Papa, you know say, I feel a way if you come to you now, but I true nothing now go on for me because you know say my girlfriend gone with all of my money. What I did have, a little savings what I did have. So you see all the money what I used to give, the man gone with everything, brother. I can't believe. Right now I pay bills and debt me right now I'm mad. Right now, mother, anything any work you want to do, if you want to be a yes man or wow, your yard man. Me clean your shoes for you. Anything at all I want me do. Me do it because I just want some money you know, because you know say right now me can't even afford to pay my rent. I can't even afford to pay my rent and I know say you're richer now and something. Nothing normal. But anything at all me can me deal with it. If you want me to if anything, if you want me to be a bodyguard, anything.
Yeah, no. You're a good boy, no. Because you see, one time you never have nothing, I'm down there, you give me work. So, I'm going to help you and I'm going to pay for the rent. So, all you do is just par with me. Anything I ask you to do, you just do it and I pay you.
Respect, boss, respect. Yeah, I appreciate it,
Alright, your time start right now, we are walking up the road.
Time starting now?
Yeah, right now we are going up the road. Come on. Get up,
Up and lie sometimes. I'm in Jamaica, make a grown man cry sometimes. Curious.
Hey. What you do?
Hello.
Can't do that.
No, I know her.
You know her?
Yeah.
You're lucky, you know. Can't go so close. I can't go so close.
Listen what I'm saying. Anyway, what problem now?
What happened?
But yeah, as far as you can see me very good, so what problem now?
How long I see you?
Look how long? Remember you count me in my head, you know? And as far as I see, me not see no belly a show, so that means that my youth is die. And now you are come and ask me.
And then my boss pitney. And I mean I'm a pitney.
You look so. So tell me now, what problem? Because it seems like say when we the poor, we never have no future with it. So why as it we have money now, we not rush on?
So I never love you.
If you did love me, you wanna kill what inside of you. Remember, you know, even if we not have the money to take care of it, things out there can help. Look, alright. Look on the next door neighbor. I find people she about with. And look what they got inside of you. You see how God good. You could have a better life. Look at your sister with the one pitney. In father, now mind the pitney. You have to understand. Thanks. You have to understand. I'm gonna teach you something in life, and this is gonna learn a lesson. Never done great man. No matter what you do, you could even sell back, work with him, achieve with him. No matter how you look, you could have looked like the bottom of the barrel. That's how you start a life. You don't run for man you have up there. Because he can insure you and kill you.
Boss, come on, we have time, we have a place to go.
Right.
Stop wasting dog time. Come on first. Step aside.
You see? Fine church morning. I'm gonna need you to get my white suit, you know the white shirt and the white pants and the white shoes and a gold watch. I'm gonna need all of those stuff. So
Yes, boss.
cause you know the interview has to look properly done.
Alright, boss. No problem, boss.
Yeah. And I might misplace my white hat, so just bring the same black hat.
Alright, boss. How would them there fight down there, sir?
I know that girl, you know. I used to look that girl, you know. Open the door, let me part the fight. I don't want nothing to happen. Oh! Look how long we have. Stop it, man!
You see, you look a girl, me and you not sleep in the same house.
My daddy house, yeah.
Your daddy house and my man house, so we go
You love me more, so me have to go in the you have to
You know what? Me not stand up and argue with the Camille in your face.
Can't do it anytime you're ready, girl.
A big man, relax yourself. You say a big man that.
Your neck have to pop tonight, yeah, girl. Your neck have to pop.
Me say your pa
Your neck have to pop, girl. Your neck have to pop tonight.
I want to the young girl. Want to the tick pop off. Oh, the skin catch up a fire, so.
Your pa fi go find place.
I know that, can't do me
Me
something.
say your pa fi go
Hey,
find
girl.
place. Put you.
You don't hear me say a big man.
You have to go over tonight, you hear? Just remember I'll pop your neck.
My name pop you up.
Boss, they not bruise your boss.
No.
Cause if they bruise you up, they know you think the normal in a boss.
Yes, Miss Chesley. Yeah, I know it's 3 o'clock. Nothing more watches on my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna be there, yeah.
You late, boss?
Yeah, I'll cut it late.
So, Mr. Papa, who was that?
That was my caddy.
Your catty?
No, caddy.
Okay. Thank you for tuning in to Jamiho TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and we're here with Mr. Popeye, whose life has changed drastically. He is also sporting a new name, and that is Popeye Matalan. Now, Mr. Matalan, how have you been since the last time we had a conversation?
I have to give thanks to God He's the Almighty, He's the Creator. And I want to give special thanks to Debbie. She's the one that made me a millionaire. And I'm also planning to help the youths in the community that are very poor. But as I'm telling you, you see what I did? They have to be working for it because I'm not going to just give it to a man that walk around giving trouble. So it has to be somebody well needed.
Thank you very much for that response. I heard you mention about Miss Debbie and about receiving a donation from her. Can you please provide me with the amount of cash that she donated? What's the amount?
Okay, to tell you the truth, she want that to keep privately, but I can tell you it's a lot, a lot that push the business far because, people been ordering stuff a lot. Because if you taste the fruitcake yourself, you must taste one.
Thank you very much for that, Mr. Matalan. And yes, I had the opportunity of tasting your cakes, and they were good. They were very good. I see you're sporting some brand here. Can you please provide me with the names of these brands that you're sporting?
Okay, I'm wearing a polo hat, a polo shirt, and I don't even know what they call this stuff, but it's very expensive. And a Movado watch, I paid 35,000 US for it.
Oh my God, that's a lot of money. I'm so happy for you, Mr. Matalan, and I'm so happy that your life has been changed by an angel. Mr. Matalan, sir, I remember the last time we spoke, you told me about the young lady that did the abortion. In regards to a relationship, where are you standing? Are you single or are you taken?
Well, to tell you the truth, I'm in the valley of decision. I'm telling you, listen. You see the girl that breed and dash away the child?
Okay.
She coming bawling
Oh, yeah?
for me to take her back. But I said, look, remember these dirty clothes I was in. Just remember what you did. Remember what you told me. I am broke. I chop people yard. I flush people toilet. That's the thing with Jamaican girls. They don't learn to love you as for who you are. They want you to rise, then they come and take down you. For these young men, they need to be like me. If you want to be successful in life, you got to work hard. Don't give up your dreams. And thanks for you to come back again and give me this interview while I was on the golf playing. You know I own this golf, right?
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah. So it's gonna be very hard for me to choose a wife. These mosquitoes here, they're very vicious. Anyway, still, I'm thank you for coming. You can see I'm very emotional. My eyes are start running water because when I look in Jamaica and see the things that happening, people are raping, thieving. We can do better. I want the violence to stop. So that's it.
It's always a pleasure to come here and speak with you, Mr. Matalan. And I hope the youths of today's society can take a page from your book. Again, I am your hostess with the mostess, Tracy and Blair. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.
Same to you. Have yourself a nice day.
It was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure. Caddy, back. Let's play golf.
Want this one, sir? Oh, man. Take time, sir. Take time. Not so hard, sir. Not bad, sir. Not bad. Just a little bit, sir. Brilliant.
Yes.
So, yo, cuz, I'll do a place now. Yeah, that place is safe. Come on. That man is safe, man. Not because it look like this, but a good man. As I say, a long time I live as some live run at the back. And just do want to make a little extra money for rent out or so. So, a good man just need to make ensure say, yo, you have my money at one time. Not because my cousin, I not kill up on the price, but make sure say you have my money at one time. Still.
That going so man. You know, say remember say my pay sure every month, you know.
Yeah man, but I have to ensure say I have money. That's where you go. One good thing I just want because I know how it work come down already. You understand me? So I just want to make sure I'm there somewhere, but safe. And I don't have to worry, you see me? I can hang on my thing them on the line and everything. I'm not have to worry about it.
You're good, man. Yeah, we have privacy. I'm work too, you know, so.
I say, you just need to ensure so you have the money a month time because you know you have to use them to take care and bills to pay. So like how my cause were different. I know so when them a charge, they want 1 month in back.
No, man, me and your cousin, man, but just pay for 1.5 a month. So, you see me? Me not kill it.
Alright.
Just do the right thing.
So here what going on?
Yeah, Papa.
I go down in the town and sort out something. So I just want to secure them for me.
I'm not bug you too.
Although you see me within and mine a government property and military thing, I just work for them, you see me? So secure it.
Nothing in there for much.
I just make sure I say secure, man.
Alright. No problem.
Yeah, man.
So, let me know your house.
I sort out that and forward back, see?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Tell the furniture man, say I'm saying.
Alright, no problem,
Yeah.
Papa.
Your bossy. Alright. Me a forward now. Alright, yeah, me a forward now.
Oh, go on.
But where the part?
Yeah, easy, man. No, say up the road, I say me I walk go as me say me I walk go there, you me buck up, you know. Remember the work where you say I get for me, you see? So it a go.
It's because I just so clean and work. I can't to bring in nobody on the work yet, dog. Big man thing. But as soon as I can make a come in on the work, make a forward. You see me? Because they are going now, man, see me and I go on easy. Because I have to go link bossy.
I watch no face still, you know. In time you start out, man, just give me a link.
They see easy than normal and that. Yo, but you better grow in the yard right now, go see what going around there. Because yo, they see easy than normal in the dog. Oh, you sneeze so?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, bossy, that gone way first. Swan next one. Come again. Yeah, boss. I hold a leak and fall, so that's come.
Want to go on Popeye? Are you say you there?
What you do me that? You don't know say you frighten me, man.
I'm for frightening you know from when me I walk and I look for you?
So what you look for me for? As far as me can see somebody fat you up already.
Yeah, somebody fat me up and you do it.
Who breed you? What you say to me, mama?
What you mean when me I say? You know, look, you know see? How long now you not see me?
How you
You do
breed?
it.
How you breed? How me breed you?
You do it from the last time I see you in my dream.
Me breed you? No, man. How me breed you?
Right now, 100,000 I need. 100,000 for go do ultrasound for we baby. Yeah? That me I deal with.
Trust me, to what me see you take up there now, you don't need 100,000 to call from me. No, you have smoke until now. You have to top some work.
Ah, you make me a walk and a smoke.
You know good for the
You make me a
baby.
walk and a smoke all about because I'm stressed
Me say
out and
go
I
back
can't
in-
find you. You
me
know
tell you
see?
now, go
Right
back
now
in
I
your
want all a
gym.
drink.
Go
You know
back-
see? My lip look on my lip need something.
What going on,
Hey,
bossy?
mind my stomach, oh. Mind my stomach.
Tell me ugly face breathing when I sleep.
Yeah, I'm go see you.
Yo, yeah, man.
Look up for me and don't touch me. Let me go.
Me know fear thing, you know, man. Me know fear style, you know. But I the foolishness, you know. Stop.
Was lick me.
Go on, come style the boss thing. Come on, 5 feet. Come on, 5 feet. I try to embarrass the boss. Take up your something. Watch out. Take them up. Take them up. You're a big man, you know, man. You can't make any girl that try to take your feet off, you know.
You mean you went say, him breathe for me in his sleep.
You ain't sleep.
So you know say it's a mad woman that. Oh yeah no Alton. You see this you know? You trust with it. Go to a bank and lodge it right away.
Alright, we'll change off. We'll change off. We'll just change off.
Alright, hurry up.
Boss, give me a drive off 5 bus now.
No Alton. Take a bike taxi man. I put $10,000 in here too, so you know have no problem with bike.
Alright, respect, boss.
There's some business to go deal with, otherwise some that. But me go and check my account to see if the money reach. So no delay, you know.
Give me a minute there. Come here.
Oh, go on. Long time I not see you know. You good?
I'm kind of alright, but not so alright. You know the way there?
You man, you understand.
Anyway, me like your hair. You look nice.
I me do it with you, you know.
You look pretty.
Thanks.
You can't do mine like that?
No problem, man. So where you say you're going now?
You know, so me kind of hungry. Me hungry, me not eat nothing from morning. You don't have no food over your yard, can you give me?
No, so I'm going to look overnight food me have so on Sunday, Monday. You want it?
You know, some of that eat it though, because me not have nothing else to eat. What me go do, I not eat from morning.
Come for your food, come go dish out some for you.
Before you go for the food, you know, so me did want to talk to you about something.
What you want to talk to me about now?
You know, so me not have nowhere to stay. Me not have nowhere to stay. That's why me come to you. To talk to you about now anywhere where they rent. You know where they rent?
You know, so me have one room around this house. I don't know if you want it, you know. I go rent it though.
You know, so me I go want it. Wouldn't mind you give it to me. But you see, the paying and renting, it not go work out for me right now because me dey work and me lose my job and me have no money. But you can give me it, and as soon as things pick up, cause me go look work, you know. Me will pay you your money. Any money when me owe you, me pay. I do nothing now go on now. You understand?
Why that not sound good to me, you know?
Me pay your money,
then
man.
Suppose you not get no work. How me ever get my pay?
Yo, me said last night that around night party, me stay some bumps in the corner, man. The girl a go on normal. So then you see me? Me see over there, but you know, I think come down there, me just a go on. You see me, cause I go wash a little and neat.
So I'm gonna feel you carry home.
And then I get to go, man.
Soft, man.
No, dog, you ain't independent, you know.
God know.
Come get our number still, so.
A good thing, man. But yo, but I make one wrong and do one crime.
Alright, do you must.
Nothing there.
Alright, I'm there going now, man. I'm there going now.
Now I have a friend for a long time, but that one day too serious for me right now. You have to go see if you get somewhere else, yeah?
You can't just help me, please, because me not have nowhere to go.
Me can't right now. Me want money. How it a go? If you're not paying no rent. Light bill have to pay, water bill have to pay, food have to come in at the house. Everything I got upon me. Me sorry about that, man. Me can't go down a route there right now. See if you get somewhere else. Check.
I have to go right now.
Alright, walk good.
Mama, you know, so I left one black bag right there, so.
No, which bag? Me not see no bag.
I left one, could have sworn I left one black bag right there, so a while ago, and go away a while ago.
Me not come here for come see no bag. Where you come and come see about bag for? Me not know about no bag. Tell us me not see no bag, but they still a ask me to see bag.
You're bad, bro. When we out there, so I drink a while ago, you know, some left the bag when I have one. Alright, let's see how it goes. I'm there, I walk and look for from the morning. Alright. Yo, I know say I call you, you know. But I did have to call link you, dog. You know, say the bag what I have on my shoulder. You remember the bag?
Yeah.
You know, say I some money in it for the boss. Like, I left the bag there, so dog, I'm in a seat. So I wonder for sure, say, you
No, mama, tell me get up in the morning, take up your room. And the trace sign out, you know, come more, you know.
Dog, I left the bag there and like somebody go there and take up the bag, dog.
But I know that's something different, dog. I'm gonna do that to you. You see me, dog? Cause right now, I'm even there, dog, stressed out. You see me? Cause even my daughter have bone cancer right now and I overseas. Them a pray for make she go. You see me? Cause them try the treatment out here and nothing, no help. So right now, I'm there stressed out, brother. Over 28,000. We have to find right now. I don't even know if you start from. You see me?
Boy, John, oh, dog. I wish I could have helped you. But I even so bossy, but bossy, I know somebody from the media. Where she help Bossy to get rich.
Oh.
So I chat to Bossy and say Bossy can make she come link you.
Yeah, man, do the right thing, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, man, because she work, you know. Because she make Bossy get rich.
Yeah, make you link for me, man. I know she can do interview, man. I really need the help, man.
I'm sorry,
It's alright, man. We're there, man.
Yeah, man.
I can't get no response. It just opened the message a while ago. What happened? Well, go on. Where do you mean to see up on the end, Daddy? If I start party rich man them, now see up on the ends again, Danny. Switch up your thing, God.
Yo, me there going normal, say me, man, but I true. Bossy give me some money if you go bank fee.
If I start party rich man them, brother, you rich and switch out you out.
Brother, relax, sir.
I look like you're hide. Where are you, sir?
Relax, sir, dog. I move, sir. Relax, man, because I saw money me last, dog, today. I lost some money today, dog. Because Bossy give me some money if you go bank. And like, me left here one place, because me there work, isn't it? And I have to look out of my eye then, because I know Bossy catch me, you know. You know, Bossy catch me, because he call me from there. I can't answer him, man, dog.
Alton, listen, I've been checking my account again and again, and I'm not seeing the money in the account. I need to know what happened to my money because. So it's a careless, brother. Last man money in them time now, you.
But I no careless, dog. Should even know, mate. And like, say me nobody me can borrow money from you in the night. Because right now, I some enough money in a day me there I place my youth, and I tell you. I'm serious about some day I go and braff with me and I go and normal, so me and my nigga there. And like, me left, me take off the bag, you see me? And put it down. And by the time I left, dog, and come back, me no see money.
What problem that you know? Yo, so you can do still and take time, max it out still, you know.
Just do the right thing, man.
alright,
Yeah,
man.
so I go on normal, see me, you know, because I even want boss here pass and see me.
Yo,
And see me out there.
see that talk. You know, brother.
But there someone that do right, man. Do right.
Alright, me link.
You know how long me I look for you? A whole night me I look for you.
What you looking for?
You know, say me find the money though.
You really find the money?
Yes. You hug me up too long, me give you money. I want the money, me go give you.
Yo, me not telling you, yo, me thank you.
See here, me fine.
Yo, you don't know what you do for me in the night, you know, because I almost have a heart attack. You lost all bossy money.
God know me couldn't keep it. Me have to carry for and give you.
Yo, me thank you. Thank you. You don't even know. I don't know what you were saying. So where are we from?
All my money in there, not true?
Yeah, man, everything there, man, but right now, it's because of my money, so just hold this and respect. Respect. Just probably buy one water or something and go on normal. You see me? I could just go on normal, but me thank yourself, because many Jamaicans don't do this. You see me? Enough people dishonest out there and they want to do this. Me thank you. Appreciate it right now. You don't know what you do for me night. I mean, me really appreciate it. Thank you.
So $100 you really give me hungry, you know?
When me see you
Could I
again,
buy one
watch
food
you know,
for me?
which part you live? As soon as me get
I
paid,
live nowhere.
as soon as me get paid, me I carry one piece of money come give me. Me appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright.
Me thank you. Me can link boss here now. Straight to God. Appreciate it. Thank you, mama. Thank you. Respect you. Here. Respect you. Yo, bossy. Boy, me see you miss call him and say, you know, me see all the WhatsApp messages, but God know. Show something go down to him, me couldn't even get to come link you, come back so early, but me sort it out now, so which part there?
Me just reach, me park up out of my gate. Me a wait.
Run your yard. Alright, me I walk on link you, right? Alright.
Whole day, me there check for online to see if the money reach my account and all no Alton. And I like say me I'll give extra money. What problem?
Boy, bossy. You don't even want to know what I'm going to. You know, some lost the money today. I'm end up somebody find me and bring it back home, give me. That's why I couldn't take a call. I couldn't even take a call on this. Because I see phone and ring and something. But you me lost the money. And yeah, me couldn't take a call, man. After me, this is me can't, I don't know, start. Yeah.
You really careless enough. You got lost the money and from morning and up on the time now. How you end up finding back?
Boy, I want a woman like she a pass and find the money and good enough to carry back home, give me. I see all the money we give me for myself this man, me all right, me end up having give me whole 10 grand. Me end up giving. But tomorrow me can go down to the bank and go do it back early as day break.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, you better give me it, you know, because I'm not too just enough again, you know. Because you make mistake today, you know. I mean, I want tomorrow, you go tell me, say, man, take it this time, you know. So let me just take it, me will do what we should do. So, link me a morning. We are going for that tour. Well, have a shower, man. From day and I see him close, man.
Boss, I say things going on me there to make sure some find back your money, you know, but you want appointment, you know, and girl and night. So I can go on now, man.
Trying to breathe, you know.
So we must say thing, but one, be right.
Alright.
Hi, my Jammy Hood Massive, my Jammy Hood Thieves. We're here with Papa Matalan. I'm not sure if you guys remember his story, and he is now a millionaire and he's giving back to the people of the community, to the children. So we have some ice cream here and some fruit cake that we're going to give back to the children, courtesy of Popeye, the millionaire.
Yeah. And if you want a fruit cake, just call me. Well, this is not only a plaything. This is a serious business. I'm doing a business. If you want a fruit cake, all right, for tourists, $15 US. For Jamaican, 1,500.
All right, boss.
Let the people them taste it and tell me it taste.
This is good. This is some good fruit cake.
What
Like he
can
said,
you taste in it?
fruits. I'm tasting a lot of fruits.